It's raining at Katie's. I mean, look, it's weird. The ground is dry and the ground is wet.
Good morning. It is 10 o'clock, but I didn't just wake up. I woke up at 7 because the yard guys are doing work outside, and they started working at 6, and they woke me up super early.
I don't think Zoe has filmed, but they have all the blocks out, and they have bags of like cement and stuff over there. I don't know what they're really doing right now. I think they're gonna start. I don't know. I really don't know. I can't pretend like I do. Maybe they'll start on the wall. Who knows? And I know you guys don't really know what that means, but you will see very soon, either today or tomorrow. We all will. I asked them if the dogs could go to the bathroom real quick, so we're currently pottying. At least I hope we are. And they got a trench dug for what's going to be the bottom brick for the wall. And that's pretty much it so far. He said tomorrow they are going to bring all the plants and the flowers. What are you doing? She's just like digging her nose in the... Alright. You guys done? It looks like obviously you don't have to go to the bathroom anymore if you're just wandering around. Okay. Back inside we go. Katie is here. And we got food from Neaters, soup and sandwich. I got a bread bowl. It's like this. Oh look, babe. They like kind of hollowed out a loaf, and then I pour the soup in here. And see this ginormous thing. And she got a sandwich. And the yard guys have made some progress. They laid the bottom foundation of what's going to be the flower bed all the way across, and it looks like they're starting to fill it in with dirt or mud or leveling something. Oh, that's cement. I guess I didn't know that's how they did cement walls like that. Cool. Okay, we're gonna eat now. We're hungry. It's raining at Katie's. I mean, look, it's weird. The ground is dry and the ground is wet. Clearly the rain's coming from behind us. You okay over there?
Mm-hmm.
Hiccups. Hiccups. Needs to rain more. I have my shirt full of... I don't know what that is. Girls, do you do this? Like, cut off your split ends? That's what you do, right? The split ends.
I don't have very many, but
she's always in here.
that I do. I trim. I cut my own hair, actually.
You guys know that because she cut my hair last time, and I don't think very many of you liked it.
I like to think that I cut my hair looks better than how I did his. I just got a little... Well, he wanted it that short, so I gave him what he wanted.
Yeah, it was what I wanted. And this right here is the longest my hair has ever been in probably my whole entire life, actually. It's really long. Oh, look what I did to your toilet seat, babe. I was standing on it. See, look at this. I look like Cousin It from Addams Family. Hey, look, it's my emo look. We should go out like this.
This is my emo look. Maybe it doesn't look so good.
No, yours looks good. It looks like Jennifer, what's her name?
Aniston?
Yeah, Jennifer Aniston, like 10 years ago.
I used to get told I look like her. A couple times I got told I look like her.
You look like yourself.
I don't think I look like Jennifer Aniston at all, though.
I don't think so. You look good, but not like Jennifer Aniston. Apparently I look like a young Christian Slater.
You are cuter than Christian Slater, but you look similar to him.
Thank you. That was a compliment. Clean this toilet. We're going soon. And tomorrow we bought tickets to see
Atomic
Blonde, which I'm excited about. I heard it's good. So, yeah. Oh,
good.
Your hair's all clipped. I don't want to mess it up. So we finally made it to my house with some Del Taco, and I got toddler size icy. It's like bigger than her head. It was unnecessary, but it's so good. And I think we might get... Oh, we're on episode 11, and we're almost done with it. Isn't there only 13 episodes?
Yeah.
We're almost done with Orange is the New Black, and then we're going to move on to the new season of Shameless that I'm very excited about. Look who's visiting.
I love when she jumps up like
Oh, silly dog. She's like, pull me the rest of the way up. We are going to bed very soon. It is late, and actually the yard guys are going to wake me up really early because they're supposed to finish all that work tomorrow.
so weird that they work
On Sundays.
Sunday.
Yeah, normally they never work on Saturdays or Sundays, and they're doing it just on Saturday and Sunday apparently. So yeah, this is good night. We're going to bed soon. We'll see you tomorrow. Not in the morning, tomorrow. We have to make our movie at 1:20, so we'll probably get up around like 12:45, 1 o'clock. So yeah, we'll see you then. Thank you for watching. Good night.
Good night.
Night night.